Pampered Chef really truly has given me that opportunity to meet new people every single day.
It's just a happy place to be, to talk to people who also love to cook and talk and eat food and hang out, and that means something to me.
I have really, over the last couple of years, worked to make our team feel more than just like a business community, but a family. And so even though we're across the miles, we really work on that connection factor.
It's fun because, you see each other at least once a month, hopefully, and then we talk with each other on the phone. We have our Facebook group, but they've really become a family where, it might be vegetable pillars that bring us together, but we do make friendships for life.
But to me, Pampered Chef goes beyond just the cooking part in that I just feel like it changes lots of lives, Sometimes it's not even with the products, but with just the recipes or the ideas or even just the friendship.
I can't imagine what else I would be doing, that I would be having this much fun.